Assalamu alaikum, guys. Hello, how are you? How is everyone? Hi. Today our video is about onions, and in our old cities, they used to keep onions. It comes in sometimes. They used to keep onions for so long, so moms used to hang it outside of the balcony so it can dry, and they can use it all the year this way. So basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how I did these miniature onions from foam, from very simple materials we have home. So let's get started. I'm very excited. Are you? Okay, let's start. Yep. Okay, so materials we have here are very simple. We can find them home. We have here foam, small balls, two different sizes. Big sizes for onion, small sizes for garlic. We do have also this one, which is corn silk. The corn silk, I have it. I keep it like this, and when it dries, I color it with tea. I just soak it in tea, then become the color is like this, and they can use it in so many projects I have. And we have PVA glue, white glue, and we have here the crochet paper, which is comes in so many colors, but I'm using here the off-white one. I cut them like this. Okay, and we do have also this dry rice straw. I just have them. You can find them in any of the shops for the craft. Okay, so let's start it now. I'm gonna start with the garlic, so I'm gonna take the small one, and I'm going to pick it like this with a long needle. Now when I cut this crochet paper, it has lines, so I will make sure that I use it on the side that the lines are long. Then I pull it like that. Okay, now I'm going to wrap this inside, but I have to cover it with PVA glue. I have to dip this first in the PVA glue. Oops. Be careful, don't work next to a fan or something because they will fly. Now I will wrap it like this, very tight. Make sure that it's tight. Then I will seal it with an extra PVA glue. Now I will squeeze from here and from up. I just do it like this. And I will squeeze, sorry. And I pull it and I'll keep it on the side to dry. Okay, let's make one more. I just dip it here in the PVA glue. Take the crochet paper, pull it. I'll see the direction of the vein. It should be long. Then I roll it and I seal it with the PVA glue from here. Don't put extra PVA glue because it will take time to dry. Now I make a pressure from here and here, like I pull them all together. Just collect them all together. And if I need to seal it, then I will just put a little bit. This way. Now I'll make a couple of them. I did these ones before. Big ones is for onions, small one is for garlic. The same way for the garlic we do for the onions. Now after some time and after it dries, I'll just trim it with a scissor, cut a little bit from up, and I will try to make lines remove the extra. I push, so I will make a base for the garlic. Now let's do this for another one. I cut from up, then I push, I make a base, and then leave the other side long. Now I'll push like that to make, because you know onions, sorry, the garlic, so you can see that they are one by one, like some marks on the sides. Okay, now the coloring time. I'm using here watercolor because I need it to be light to give the feeling that it's transparent. Okay, now I'm using the white color, more water, and I cover it. Now maybe somebody will tell me, okay, the crochet paper is off-white, so why you're coloring off-white again? Now I like to do that because when I will put some purple color, then they will melt together and they will give a nice look. Okay, so I will color all the, now I'm taking purple, very light purple, and they put some dots like this. So they will melt with the base I did, which is the off-white. Not too much. Okay. If the purple I put become extra, I will immediately put water and remove it. Because I like to have some kind of shade, some kind of tone. See? I just put it, it's like watery, and I let it run. Now, all the garlic are here. We'll keep it in a side, then it will for drying. After sometimes, I will just take a dry brush, just slightly have some water, and they put brown. Like this is the head of the garlic. On top only. Okay. Then I'll dip it in the PVA glue, white glue, and I put it in the corn silk, which I cut it small pieces. Okay, that's it. Now I will repeat the process again. Little bit brown on top, on the edges as you see. Then PVA glue, white glue. Then dip it in the corn silk. The colored one which I colored before, like that. Let's make one more. Brown. Then PVA glue, and I dip it here again. So all of them are done. This is the final look. Now for the onions, I have to cover it. I'm using three tones, three shades here. First is skin color, then slightly um, orange color, brick color, then mustard color. So I will melt them together as I'm doing here. Now I put the dark, then I melt it like this. I don't want it to be like concentrated in one place and one place, no. Then I will have a dry brush and I just make the brown on top. It's the same style. PVA glue and dip it in the corn silk. Like this. Make more. skin color, brick color, and mustard color. Here we go. I just made a couple of them. Final touch. If I feel like it needs a little bit more orangey or more ochre, I will do with dry brush. Now here, the onions. They are very sharp. I keep them in a side. And now I'm going, and this is the garlics. Now I'm having here the rice dry straw. I just open them like this, and I try to join them together like this. With the help of the glue gun. Now, if you cannot do this with one hand, maybe you can ask somebody to hold it from up, and you can use your two hands in making it. What I'm used to do is for my daughter's hair when she was small. So you do it like this and just open, make them a little bit loose. Now I have to arrange the onions here. I just put it like this. With the help of the glue gun. You can use a different pattern to glue them on top of this dry rice straw. But I see that I feel like this one is look more realistic. So that's why I use this one. I cut the extra. Move the glue gun web with a little bit pressure. And keep going. Keep going. This thing can be used as a fridge magnet. You can put a small magnet at the back and can be used as a fridge magnet. We can decorate jars, the cover of the jar with these things. Some people, they just make onions and garlic, and they keep it in jars. Use it when there is no garlic. So you can decorate the jar with this thing. Now I have to make some place to hang it. So coloring it like this, doing it like this, sorry. Yeah, that's the final. Now I repeat the same process, same thing for the garlic. Make sure that they are really stuck. And that's the garlic and the ginger. I hope you like it. And if you like the video, please like and share and subscribe. And see you for next video. If you have any suggestion, please leave the comment in the box below. What do you want me to do? And inshallah, we will be doing it. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.